Dear students, welcome back to my Sahani Creation educational channel. We had learned earlier that the use of article A and the in part 1 and part 2 video of the article chapter. Today we will do some exercise of article. If you do not watch my part 1 and part 2 video of article, please go through the description. The links are given. Please like, share and comment my videos and also subscribe my channel if you visit first time. Let's start the video. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Question number 1. Iron is dash useful metal. Answer option A. Because A indefinite article is used before article useful. Question number 2. Dash rumor I had came true. Answer option D. Because the is used before definite article, definite noun, rumor. Question number 3. Jerusalem is dash holy city. Answer option A. Because here holy is adjective, A is used before adjective. Question number 4. Gopal told me dash reason of his failure. Answer option C. The. Because the is used before definite noun. Question number 5. While there is dash life, there is hope. Answer option D. None. Because life is an uncountable noun. Question number 6. Switzerland is dash European country. Answer option A. Because before consonant sound European. Question number 7. Dash Earth is a member of dash solar system. Answer option C. The. Because the earth and solar, which is only one. Question number 8. Everybody respects dash honest man. Answer option B. An. Because an is used before vowel sound. Honest. Question number 9. We shall see dash film which recently won the Golden Lotus. Answer option C. The. Because the is used before definite noun. Film. Question number 10. He can type 60 words dash minutes. Answer option A. It refers to A refers to for, each or every. He can we can say he can type 60 words per minute or each minute. So answer is A. Question number 11. The elephant is dash largest animal on land. Answer option C. The. Because the is article used before superlative degree of adjective largest. So answer is C. Option C. The. Question number 12. We make cake with dash flour, dash milk and dash eggs. Answer option D. None. Because multiple noun go together. Question number 13. These shirts are all of dash size. Answer option A. Answer A. Here sense of size. Question number 14. Dash penguin is found only in South Africa. Answer option C. The. Here, penguin is the only one which can we see in South Africa. So answer is option C, the. Question number 15. She brought dash dozen eggs. Answer question number 15. Answer is option A, because A is used before adjective dozen. Question number 16. Dash Godavari rises in dash Western Ghats. Answer is option C, the. Godavari before the name of river and Western Ghats, Western. So answer is option C. Question number 16. 17. My daughter needs dash textbook on logic. Answer option A before adjective or consonant sound is used. Question number 18. Dash Egypt is called gift of Nile. Here answer is option C, the. Because Egypt is the name of country and Nile is the name of river. So we use article the before Egypt and before Nile river. Question number 19. My father goes to dash office at 8 a.m. Answer option D, none. We cannot use any article before office. So answer is option D, none. Question number 20. A horse is dash useful animal. Answer option A. Useful is an adjective, so we can use article, indefinite article A before it. Question number 21. Dash National Herald is published on Lucknow. Answer option C, the. What is the name of the book? Is National Herald. So answer is option C, the. Question number 22. Take this medicine thrice time dash day. Answer option A. Here A refers to per, every, each. Question number 23. The sun is a huge ball of fire. Answer option C, the. Here only one. Sun is the only one. So we can use option C, the. Definite article before sun. Question number 24. Kamala hopes to be dash nurse. Answer option A, because a indefinite article is used before consonant sound nurse. Question number 25. Dash strong should always protect weak. Answer option C, the. Because the is used before strong and weak adjective used to represent a class of people or person. Question number 26. I hope to success if I got dash opportunity. Answer option A, because A is used before indefinite noun or uncountable noun opportunity. Question number 27. Dash rose is a lovely flower. Answer option C, the. It is genetic singular, represent all of the rose. Question number 28. It is one of the best methods of dash teaching English. Answer option D, none. Here, before teaching, we can not use any article before teaching. Question number 29. I have never come across such dash wicked fellow. Answer option A. A is used before consonant sound. Wicked. Question number 30. About dash 100 of the eggs are rotten. Answer option A. A. A is used before consonant sound. 100. Question number 31. Many dash young man was eager to marry that girl. Answer option A. A. Because A indefinite article is used before consonant sound. Young man. Question number 32. Dash Prime Minister will visit Lakshadweep Island. Answer option C. The. Because the is used before definite person. Question number 33. Dash more one gets dash more one once. Answer option C. The. Because it is a adverbial expression. Question number 34. Dash reading makes a full man. Answer option D. None. No article is used before reading. Question number 35. There is dash Mr. Mahapatra at the door. Answer option A. A. Because when a stranger is referred to, there is Mr., Mrs., Miss or any name, we use indefinite article the. Question number 36. Once there was a boy dash boy had his old mother with him. Answer option C. The. Because definite noun become definite when we use it for second time. First a boy, second we use the same noun boy for the second time, so we used article the before boy. Question number 37. The students made dash lot of noise in the class. Option A. Answer. Because it is uncountable noun, a lot of noise. Question number 39. She learned to play dash flute. Answer option C. The. Because the is used before musical instrument. Flute. Question number 40. Dash man who sits there is my father. Answer option C. The. The is used before definite person. Question number 41. The box is made of dash wood. Answer option D. None. No article is used before wood, uncountable noun. Question number 42. We have dash flight to Bombay once a week. Answer option A. A. Singular noun. Question number 43. We shall form dash union. Answer option A. A. Because it is a consonant sound. Union. Question number 44. Have you read dash Divine Comedy? Answer option C. The. Divine Comedy is the name of the book, comedy book. Question number 45. I have an account in dash State Bank of India. Answer option C. The. Name of a descriptive. So answer is option C. The. Question number 46. What dash ugly side? Answer option A. An. Because ugly side is a vowel sound. Question number 47. Both the brothers are of dash mind. Answer Option A. A is used before consonant sound. Question number 48. We have invited dash Mathur to dinner. Answer option C. The definite person Mathur. Question number 49. The mail train runs at 8 kilometers dash hour. Hour vowel sound. So answer is option B. An. Question number 50. Man has reached dash moon. Answer option C. The, because it is only one in situation, only one moon. Question number 51. Dash future beckons to us. Answer option C. The, future used as noun. Question number 52. I know dash man sitting in dash corner. Answer option C. The, because it is definite person or thing. Question number 53. Dash sun rises in dash east. Answer option C. The, sun is only one, east is the direction. So we use definite article the before only one in the situation sun and the direction, name of the direction east. Question number 54. Dash Indian Ocean is to dash south of India. Answer option C. The. The is used before name of the ocean and the direction south of India. Question number 55. Rini got dash highest mark. Answer option C. The. Highest is the superlative degree of adjective. Question number 56. There are dash great lessons of life. Answer option C. The, superlative degree of adjective, greatest. Question number 57. Draw dash map of India. Answer option A. A. A is used before consonant sound, map. Question number 58. The honesty is the dash best policy. Answer option C. The, because the is used the superlative degree of adjective, best. Question number 59. Dash man is mortal. Answer option D. None. Whole number of race man refers to. Question number 60. The gold is dash precious metal. Answer option A. A. A is used before consonant sound or adjective precious. Question number 61. Dash Ramayana is a famous epic. Ramayana is a holy book. So answer is option C. Article the is used before Ramayana. Question number 62. Mr. Dash is dash MLA. Answer option B. An, because an is used before vowel sound. Question number 63. Man is dash reasoning animal. Answer option A. A, before adjective reasoning. Question number 64. We live in an old house in dash middle of the village. Answer option C. The, middle of the village. Question number 65. Dash art of speaking is difficult. Answer option B. An, because an is used before vowel sound, art.